Here is the beauty of a night bonfire. Just getting rid of old leaves, old tree branches, waste tree branches. The ashes will be recycled to plant more veggies. Whoa, whoa! And look at the fireflies that goes into the sky. It's a bit far from the nearby tree on my bananas, but ooh, there's plenty of fireflies going up. This is not California. This is tropical country. Wow, what's the day today? It's Friday. Friday the 18th. Yep. January 2025. Oh, where's the firefly? Go up in the sky. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crackle, crackle, crackle. That's the little inferno that finish of California. Wow. Even the dry, even the wet figs burned by the dry figs, dry leaves, and little branches. Yeah. Just quickening the branches into ashes. I need some ashes to act as a rooting powder for new plants. Yep. You can do that sometimes. It's no smoke, no pollution, no plastic, just natural branches and leaves. Fire will be gone in 5 minutes or 10. But I just showed, here you go, the beauty. Oh, little fireflies. Oh. Wow. Look at those fireflies. Wow. Oh. What a beauty. Fire, fire, fire. Right up to the sky. 100 feet high in the sky. Ooh. It beats the fireworks. Ooh. Look at them, right? Look at the fireflies. And chase away the mosquitoes. Wow. And that looks nice. You can panggang one big porky in there. I should have a big porky rolling, golek rolling on the top of that fire. Sinalaw. Yeah. Where's the sinalaw? Oh dear, no sinalaw. Oh, the fireflies is gone. Oh, oh, oh. See, he's gone in 10 minutes. Any more fireflies? Oh, they're reducing in number. Okay, folks. Yeah, the beauty is gone.